Hey, Joto, where is all this hate coming from? Oh yes, I'm hot. Ooh.
Oh my god! Wow!
Yani, I'm generating all this heat. Can you guys feel the heat? Because me, I feel it. I think I'm hot. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, my zone. I am Masinjoki, and if you're new here, karibu sana, feel at home. This is the place to be because it's all about good vibes. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get updated when I post a new video. And welcome to my weekly vlog. This is weekly vlog 02. Weekly vlog 01, I did it last year, and I'm going to put it somewhere up here. Yeah, you guys check it out. Weekly vlog 01. Anyway, let's go straight to the vlog.
I've been here, but I have to stay afloat. It's not easy. Be a person you don't want. Can somebody take me other thing? Going to do. Where's the life I? Where's my shy? Who is this called living? I don't know. Where's the life I? Where's my shy? Who is this called living? I don't know. I don't wanna grow. Just live myself. I don't wanna grow. The things I left behind me. I don't wanna grow. Just live myself. I don't wanna grow. The things I left behind me. Just live behind me. Just live
I am going to town today, actually in a few, but I really don't feel like because the sun is so hot. I'm just bored. It's just one of those days, but I have to because I gotta fix this. The ghetto, guys. The ghetto. Look at what happened to my phone. And imagine it's half dead. Like it fell down, it broke. The screen, I even don't understand how it fell because where you know those nights when you just all about getting lit, having fun with your friends, and then you wake up to this. Me, I even don't know what was worse, waking up to this or waking up with an almost broken leg.
Hey!
Girl, I felt traumatized. I even said I am not going to get late again because what is this? So see you guys later. I'll show you guys after I fix my phone. Okay?
Somebody take me other thing. Going to do. Where's the life I? Where's my shy? Who is this called living? I don't know.
All is new, guys. I just fixed my phone and it looks so nice. It looks new. Like I'm so happy. It has no crack, nothing. It's just my hair is a mess, but I'm going to the salon in a few. But before that, I want to comb my hair. I don't want to have a hard time in the salon. I had not combed it the whole of today, so I just want to comb it. But oh god, but it will get washed in the salon because today I don't feel like washing my hair. I'm so tired. I feel so lazy. I don't know why I'm feeling tired, and I've just woken up. So guys, my hair inakatika, and this is because I haven't treated my hair in a long time. I used to think that treatment is for those who apply chemical on their hair, but I was told it's also for natural hair. That's why inakatika heavy, and I'll need to treat it soon. Also, I left my hair open for like 1.5 weeks. That's why I want to plait it today, because Also, you should not like play it consistently. You should like leave your hair to take a break for some time. Okay, no, you're wondering. Chane vizuri. Yeah, let me show you guys what I want to plait. All the time when I'm going to the salon, I have to look for hairstyles on Pinterest or just online on Instagram, and this is what I came across. This is what I'm going to use. Number 27. It's blonde, but it's not the exact color that I wanted. I wanted a lighter blonde, like color gold, a lighter shade. And I was told for this darling, they don't have a lighter shade. But this is number 27. I don't think I've ever tried this color, but I'm going to plait it and see how it will look on it. I got 6 of them. Yeah, problem with having a lot of hair is you use a lot of braids. Oh, and I know you're wondering, girl, why do you have so much hair? What do you do? I've been asked that question for the longest time since I was a kid, and to be honest, I've never had a good answer for that, because I was born like that. Like, I was literally born with a lot of hair, and it's always been long my whole life. And I was only shaved once when I was small. I can't remember, but my mom told me she shaved me when I was around 1 year. Yeah, actually it has become shorter, because I remember I was in class 3 too. It was so long, and the reason it has become shorter, it's because of too much heat. I can't even count the number of times I've blow dried my hair. And then recently I discovered flat iron, and my life has never been the same. Like, flat iron looks so good on me. Yeah, but I'm really trying to avoid heat. I'm also in the process of watching hair videos, like tips and all that, because my hair is like starting to get damaged. You see venye nakatika, it's because I have never taken my hair seriously. It's because I've always known I have good hair. I don't care, you know, like. And yeah, I'm in the process of learning, and once I learn, I'm going to be making hair content for you guys. Yeah.
5 hours later.
I've been here, but I have to stay.
And now that I've been in the salon for 5 hours, I need to make some juice. I'd already chopped these ones. These are mangoes and bananas, and I really don't feel like taking something heavy. I just want something light, so I'm just going to make a fruit juice. You know, sometimes you go for the healthy options. And I'm gonna plug this.
Look behind.
I decided just eat. I think this is my supper. I'm having pilau and potato stew, but I didn't put like the soup. I just put potatoes only. Yeah, it's right now 6:24, so for once I'm having my supper this early. It's because I was so hungry and I didn't eat lunch because I was in the salon. And yeah, I guess this is the end of my day. After I eat, I'll see what I can do.
I don't know, I don't wanna grow, just live myself.
Wow, I was so hungry, I have no idea. That is my OOTD. I love today's outfit. It's so simple, casual, but good, and also school friendly.
Behind, where's the life I? Where's my shy head? Is this called living? Look behind, I don't know. Where's the life I? Where's my shy head? Is this called living? Look behind, I don't know. I don't wanna grow, just live myself. I don't wanna grow, the things I love, look behind me.
Claudia has a YouTube channel.
Hello.
That is Claudia, and she has a YouTube channel.
Part of friendship.
What's the name of your channel?
Part of friendship.
Claudia.Girongo.
My soul left
I'll send you.
So I'm in school, and she's doing a cookie. I'm not making noise. I like electricity.
By 2 euros twice.
Sasa mimi nyingi zimeapia.
Yeah, I'm done with mine.
Hey, expression.
Like ayo.
Look behind, look behind.
So guys, today it's a pretty chill day, but so busy because I have a lot of work to do. I'm actually doing assignments and I've been at home the whole day, so yeah, that's basically how my day has been.
Look behind, look behind. Where's the life I? Where's my shy head? Is this called living? Look behind, I don't know. Where's the life I? Where's my shy head? Is this called living? Look behind, I don't know. I don't wanna grow, just live myself. I don't wanna grow, the things I love, look behind me.
To belief. He came back from the dead. I dare you to try to top that.
Look behind me. Just live look behind me. Just live
Hey guys, I'm watching such an interesting series. It's called Manifest. It's a mystery, drama, fiction. Imagine getting on a plane and then on arriving at the airport, you're being told you are missing for 5 years. Like your flight took 5 years. And in your head, you know it took 2 days. Ulipanda ndege jana, umerudi vizuri leo.
Today is November 4th, 2018. We've all been missing, presumed dead for 5.5 years.
So the whole world is obsessing about them after they arrive, because nothing like that has ever happened in the world. Because it's obvious, when a plane goes missing for 5 years, it means like you guys died and the plane disappeared. So the whole world just knew these guys were dead, because even in the signal that usually shows how the plane is going, it reached a point and it disappeared to never be seen again. And then boom, 5 years later you show up. And then the funny thing is, these guys didn't age at all. They look the same, with the same clothes that they were wearing when they got into that flight. They look the same, healthy, nini. So, and then the funny thing is, here's where the mystery comes in. These guys, all of a sudden they have supernatural powers. They start hearing things, they start seeing things, and it's not that they are crazy. They can actually see the future. they can predict. It's like there's usually a voice, it's like a spirit that guides them. Like their intuition is so high in a way that when something bad is about to happen, they can see it.
We see things. Visions, we hear things. Who? The passengers, those junkies? All of us. We get these messages, these callings that we're supposed to follow.
The third season, it's when they discover these guys actually died. So the question is, these guys don't remember dying. All that they know is that they remember being in a flight, like yesterday wakafika leo, and the only thing that happened in the flight is there was a sort of like the plane kind of shake. It's like it was about to crash, but it didn't crash because they actually saw, the pilot saw a big lightning as he was flying the plane. That is what happened. So these guys actually died and resurrected, and they received supernatural powers. Like, wow, how interesting is that? And then this movie gives me this vibe of the Bermuda Triangle. I'm sure you guys have heard of Bermuda Triangle. It's a wonder of the world, and in this triangle, it's like a triangle in the, I think, Pacific Ocean, if I'm not wrong. There's no plane or ship that passes around there, because once it passes there, it disappears. And now there are all sorts of theories. Others say it's gravity, others say it's demonic forces, others say mermaids live there and then they like pull all the stuff that's passing there and they eat the passage. What do you guys think? I feel it's demonic forces plus gravity. Anyway, I may feel like they removed that concept from there, because there's also a video I watched on YouTube. There's a pilot who passed by Bermuda's Triangle and actually succeeded passing. And while he was on the plane, he saw a big dark cloud. He passed through the cloud and there was a big lightning, a supernatural lightning. And that's what actually happens on the plane. The pilot sees a dark cloud and a lightning. And that's when the plane starts shaking. Kidogo, they have landed. So I feel like these guys passed through a time machine, because for them the flight was 2 days and in a normal circumstance it was 5 years. I don't know, like, if you watch this movie, what do you guys think? And if you haven't watched it, I'm sorry for the spoiler, but it is so interesting not to talk about it. Yeah, and that's what I'm currently watching.